everyone, my name is Linda Lee and I'm the Democratic nominee for District 23, which includes parts of Belrose, Hollis, Queens Village, Holliswood, Oakland Gardens, and I'm very excited actually about this nomination of being the Democratic candidate for many reasons. Number one, I'm a nonprofit leader myself, so as a social worker, as someone who's been running nonprofit social services in Queens and in the community, I see firsthand how we really need to support our communities of color, how we need to support the immigrant community, because if you don't know English or don't have access to the internet or how to use the computer, then you're being left out of services. So we need to do a lot more to get small business owners and people back on their feet. And you know, it's historic, this win for me, I think, because as I'm the first woman and person of color to ever win the nomination for this city council district. And so it's very, very meaningful, and I hope that I can be a voice for all of our communities, especially our immigrant communities, and give them the voice that they need. And so I look forward to partnering with APAG and the Pakistani community. They do so much good services. You know, I was just with them for the Backpack Back to School event, and they do so many events for the community, and so I'm really looking forward to partnering with them so that we can provide more resources. So please make sure to vote. Early voting started, and it's from now until October 31st, which is Sunday, and then November 2nd, of course, is Election Day, so please make sure to go out and vote. Thank you.